This is the Wonder Beauty Sweet Escape eyeshadow palette. Most of us received this in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so I'm really excited to try it out. I did receive two different palettes. The other one was from Natasha Denona, but this one is the one I'm most excited about. So if you haven't seen that Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing, definitely check it out. This is the colors that we will be playing with. Look how pretty. I have no idea what I'm going to create today. I'm testing out so many products, like a new foundation, a new bronzer. Excited to see how well they work, you know. So we'll see by the end of the day. Go ahead and create a look. Hopefully it comes out really pretty, because I have several other things to review. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. First, let's start with the swatches. Some swatched a bit, you know, like not too well. Maybe it's me, but this is the first row. These are just way too close together. This one, oh my god, what was that? That was beautiful. I was not expecting that color. That was this one here. So now let me do the second row. Alright, so here is our second row. I gotta say, out of all of them, the one I liked the most, how it swatched, was this one, which is crazy. It's the darkest one, is this one here, which is Out of Office. That just swatched so beautifully. I wish you could help me out and tell me like which colors to use, but I know I usually create more than one look in more videos, so this is just like the full review and our first look. So I'm gonna go ahead with this brush. I just cleaned them. It feels so good. It took me years, but it's done. All my brushes are nice and clean. So you have mattes and shimmers. So of course, for the crease, I'm gonna go ahead first with a matte shade. So I'm using this one here called Vacation Mode. You do get some kickback. So I'm just gonna look down and start placing this color here, going back and forth. And because I have deep set eyes, I like when I look straight for you to see my colors, and you can't if I just place it like this. So I usually work the color higher, just blending back and forth and also in circular motions. And I don't have any like primer, it's just the foundation. Right now is blending really nicely. So my eyelids are not powdered, okay? So right now it's working really nicely. Just getting rid of those foundation creases. I really like this color for all over the crease. It's a bit warm. I'm thinking if we should go in with the purples for today's look. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go with the shade In the Cloud. Same sponge brush. I always say sponge. So with the same brush, applying it. If you want to be more precise, you can switch brushes and use a smaller one. Oh my god, the color is packing on really nicely. Look at that. And I'm keeping it in the outer part of my lid. I want like the shimmers to be on the inside. If you wanted to. Ooh, I got another shade. Don't want it on my brush. Look up, and I'm just gonna place a little one, connect it. I'm not bringing it too in, just a bit, maybe to the middle. Just look up, try not to get it inside your eye. Not cool. So like that, okay? That's good enough. Really liking right now how all these products are blending. Tempted to apply some concealer, cut crease look. It just makes the color pop so much, but I'm not, because I want to see how they work on their own. Switching to a flat brush. I don't want it to be a fluffy brush because I'm gonna pack on the next colors, okay? I'm thinking here. Okay, I'm gonna go with Sweet Dreams. Let's go in with Sweet Dreams. Again, look at my brush, it's flat. Going to try to pick this up, get a nice amount. So this is what I got. Tap and carefully pack this. With these shades, you definitely get better payoff with your finger. I like to apply it first with the brush, just for more precise application, and then go in with my finger. So I'm applying it in the middle of the lid, right on the middle, and connecting it where we had the matte purple. Just don't cover the whole thing, just connect it. You don't have to use as many shades as me, but I want to show you as many colors as I can in one look. So look how pretty this purple is. How pretty, how pretty. Turn the brush, or you can switch the brush, but I'm just gonna turn it to the other side, and you know I have to go in with On Holiday. So I'm picking that up again. A lot of fallout, so be careful. Here's that beautiful shade. Tap. This is going on the rest. Pack that first, then we'll blend. If you wanted to wear shadow shields or put some powder to grab the fallout, but I'm not getting a lot because I'm tapping the brush so much. That looks so nice. So the lightest color I put in the inner corner. And you just want to blend the shades together so everything looks smooth. I'm gonna go in with my finger, so I'm gonna take that shade On Holiday, and I'm just gonna pack it with my finger. No blending, just pack the color. It just pops so much more now. The exciting part for me is always like the inner corner here. And I'm using this shade, which I have a smaller flat brush. And I'm going with this shade First Class. This is gonna look so good in that inner corner. Just applying it right here. Just look at that shade. Look at that shade. Every time I do these looks, I always like to go in with the darkest shade that I use, because I do lose that color while blending so much. And I'm just packing it on again. I am going to go and do eyeliner. You can skip that, but I always do eyeliner. I am going to apply some lashes that I have to review, show you the final look. Alright, so here's the lashes on. I really like it.